the story musical.
There is a little house near the woods.
Hansel and Gretel live there with their dad.
Hello, I'm Hansel.
Hello, I'm Gretel, and this is Dad.
Hello, I'm Peter. I'm old. I'm a boy.
I'm a girl.
I'm a man. We are poor, but we are happy. We are a happy family. It's a sunny day. Let's go to the woods.
It's a sunny day, it's time to play. We go to the woods and we are not afraid. So many flowers, fruit and trees all around us, and so we lose our way. And so we lose our way. The night arrives, it's time to sleep. We're still in the woods and now we are afraid. So many rabbits, squirrels and birds all around us because we lose our way. Because we lose our way.
It's late. It's bedtime.
Hansel and Gretel are very tired and they fall asleep. The night arrives, it's dark all around. Hansel and Gretel sleep on the ground. Under the stars, they fall asleep. Beautiful dreams under a tree. The night arrives, it's dark all around. Hansel and Gretel sleep on the ground. Under the stars, they fall asleep. Beautiful dreams under a tree.
It's morning. Hansel and Gretel wake up.
There are many animals all around them.
I'm hungry.
I'm thirsty.
We are lost.
Look, over there.
What is it?
It's a house.
Look! The door is made of chocolate. The roof is made of biscuits. The windows are made of sweets.
Yummy!
The door is good, good to eat. I like the door, it's chocolate. The door is good, good to eat. A piece for you, a piece for me. Yummy, yummy, the house in my tummy. Yummy, yummy, the house in my tummy. The roof is good, good to eat. I like the roof, milk and biscuits. The roof is good, good to eat. A piece for you, a piece for me. Yummy, yummy, the house in my tummy. Yummy, yummy, the house in my tummy. The windows are good, good to eat. I like the windows full of sweets. The windows are good, good to eat. A piece for you, a piece for me. Yummy, yummy, the house in my tummy. Yummy, yummy, the house in my tummy.
An old woman lives in the house.
She opens the door and says, "Hello, children. What are your names?"
My name is Gretel, and this is my brother Hansel.
Nice to meet you.
Come into my house.
The old woman smiles, but
She's a witch.
Spiders, bats, black cats, I'm a witch. Brooms and hats, trick or treat, I'm a witch. It's my house and for me, every day is Halloween. I'm a witch. I lock Hansel in a cage. I'm a witch. Come on, Gretel, light the fire. I'm a witch. I am hungry and for me, it's time for lunch, can't you see? I'm a witch.
Hansel and Gretel are scared.
The witch is bad.
Gretel, help me! I'm scared. I want to go home.
I've got an idea. Mrs. Witch, look at the fire. Is it okay?
Let me see. The fire is okay. Ah!
Hansel, now we are free. Let's go home.
Hooray!
Witch, go away. We can go home, we are free today. Witch, don't come back. No more bats, no more black cats. Joy and happiness today. We can smile and we can play. We can jump because we are free. We can dance, just you and me. Goodbye old witch, goodbye dirty cage. Now it's time to turn the page. Joy and happiness today. We can smile and we can play.
Dad is sad.
Hansel and Gretel are not at home.
Hansel, where are you? Gretel, where are you?
Dad, we are here.
Children, I'm so happy to see you again. Let's celebrate. We are together at last.
Hooray!
It's a sunny day, it's time to play. We are very happy because we find a way. Dad is here, waiting for us. Let's celebrate, we are at home again.